afternoon, everybody. We are here in Hollywood Studios car park and we are going to give you a real treat today. We're going to show you how JP wants to get in on the action. He's just stopped for the video. We're going to show you how to use the Skyliner transportation. So I'm going to pop up a map here. This is what the Skyliner does, where you can get it from, where it pops to, what hotel resorts you can jump to. And we're going to start off here at Hollywood Studios. This is the main hub where we're going to do, because we parked, if you have a ticket for the parks today, you can park there and jump on Skyliner. If you don't have a ticket, you can still jump on the Skyliner from your resort. If you're staying at one of the resorts, that's on this map. So now boarding to Disney's Caribbean Beach, transfer to Art of Animation, Pop Century and the Riviera. So it's a maximum of 10 guests, and also this area here is if you need a little bit extra help, they will help you go on it. So if you're in a wheelchair or a mobility scooter, you can pop on through this section. And if you have a stroller, that's a single, a tandem, you don't have to put the stroller down. But if you have like a double stroller, you will have to put it down before you get on the Skyliner. Oh, we have a nice clear one as well. Oh, good, no one's getting in with us. They usually do bunch a few people in here, so don't they?
Yeah, but they didn't. It's so super cool.
I know, that was super cool. And we don't have a wrap. So some of them have wraps, as you can see over there, and some don't. And the ones that don't, you can get to see all the way out. Yeah, so we're going to take you on the route. Where are we going to go to first, Jokey?
You want to get a Riviera?
Let's do Riviera.
Or do you want to go to 12th Century and Art of Animation?
And then come back, and then we'll do Riviera, and then we'll hop over to Epcot. So we'll show you the full.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Hollywood Studios. We are on our way to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort with connecting flights to Epcot International Gateway, Disney's Pop Century Resort, and Disney's Art of Animation Resort. We hope you enjoyed your visit to Hollywood today. Now wave goodbye to your adoring fans below. As children, collect your belongings and watch your step. Thank you for flying with us.
Por favor, permanezcan sentados hasta que las puertas se abran automáticamente. Al salir de la cabina, por favor, cuide a sus pequeñitos, reúna sus pertenencias y observe sus pasos. Gracias por volar con nosotros.
Hello, thank you. Okay, so this brings you out to the Caribbean Beach and the transfers to the two hotels we're going to go to, or you jump onto the left, which takes you over to Epcot, which we'll see in a minute when we come back. But first of all, let's go right to Art of Animation and Disney Pop Century Resort. Okay, this one has a wrap, so it's not easy to see outside now. So this is what I mean about if you get a wrap or you don't get a wrap. When you're in the Skyliner, you have two vents here and two vents behind you. If when you're in here they're open and it rains, just pull them to and then they will close.
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. Now get ready to travel back in time and enter the animated worlds of Disney. We are on our way to Disney's Pop Century Resort and Disney's Art of Animation Resort. Just ahead and to the right is Disney's Art of Animation Resort, a larger-than-life resort that celebrates the creative magic that goes into crafting Disney animated films, from sketches to reality. On your left is Disney's Pop Century Resort, a memorable resort that celebrates the way we lived, played, and communicated with each other throughout the 20th century. We are now gliding over the sparkling waters of Hourglass Lake. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy the most magical flight on Earth. The only floating Skyliner station at Walt Disney World Resort. Passengers can disembark here for Disney's Pop Century Resort and for Disney's Art of Animation Resort. Thank you for flying the Disney Skyliner. Bon voyage!
Once you come off, you come to the end here. You can go left to Pop Century, or you can go right to Art of Animation. They will bite your arm off. So right is Art of Animation. We're just going to walk down here. You have Animation Hall, the big blue pool, which is an amazing swimming pool. Out of Pop Century and Art of Animation, this is the best pool. And then as you're coming here, both areas have toilets as well. And if you carry on walking down, you'll obviously get through to the main building, which you can have reception, food court. And there's a kiddie play pad as well. There's a big pool just down there and a kiddie pool, and they play movies as well. Perfect hotel, if you ask me, for adults and children. And if you turn left, you're into Pop Century. Now Pop Century is exactly the same setup. The main pool is smaller, but exactly the same facilities, laundry facilities, restaurant, similar size rooms. Oh yeah, the Hippy Dippy pool it's called. We'll just do a directory for you. You can't walk from here to any of the parks. Just create a screen grab of that if you need any more information. But yeah, from here you can't walk to any of the parks. You have to get a Skyliner, or you get the transportation over to Animal Kingdom, Magic Kingdom.
Yeah, you have to get the Skyliner at Epcot or Hollywood Studios.
Yeah.
Can't get buses.
No transportation. However, if you are staying at one of these resorts and you don't have park tickets, you can still use the Skyliner. You jump on the Skyliner and you can pop to Hollywood Studios, walk to Epcot, boardwalk, use all of those facilities. You can get to Disney Springs from here just using the transportation. So many possibilities that you can do even without having a park ticket. There's so many scenarios that you can do. But even if you do have a park ticket, you could park up here at the resort, free parking when you stay here, and then you can enjoy transportation all day long. You can go Disney Springs, you can go to all of the parks just using transportation and don't even have to pick your car up. So if you want a little drink, if you want to relax and not do cars, you can just park up, leave the car here, and then jump on transportation and enjoy your day. So now we're going to take the Skyliner back over to the central hub, which is Caribbean Beach, and then we'll jump on the Skyliner. At that point you could go to Hollywood Studios, or you can go all the way over to Epcot, which stops at the Riviera on the way.
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Pop Century Resort and Disney's Art of Animation Resort. We are on our way to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort, with connecting flights to Disney's Hollywood Studios and Epcot International Gateway. We will be arriving at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. All passengers must disembark or transfer at this station. We hope you enjoyed your journey, and thank you for flying the Disney Skyliner. Please remain seated until the doors automatically open. When exiting the cabin, please supervise children, collect your belongings, and watch your step. Thank you for flying with us.
Por favor, permanezcan sentados.
Okay, we're now going to catch this Skyliner.
You can get off here to go to Caribbean Beach.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, and go around.
Exactly, JP. You can get off here to go to Caribbean Beach. You can walk over here. Or you can jump on the Skyliner here now and it will take you to Riviera on its way to Hollywood. Nope. On its way to Epcot. Again, you have the same setup where if you need special assistance, you can just wait up there and you'll get special assistance to get boarded onto the Skyliner. And if you've got above double, you have to put the pushchair down. We are going on 078 and we have no wrap. What you should know about the Skyliner is it is prone to stops and starts. So from here to Epcot itself, it's probably about 20 odd minutes. It depends on the time of the year. Sometimes it can be 30, 40 minutes to get to Epcot from this exact position. So bring snacks.
Thank you for flying with us.
Por favor, permanezcan sentados hasta que las puertas se abran automáticamente. Al salir de la cabina, por favor, cuide a sus pequeñitos, reúna sus pertenencias y observe sus pasos. Gracias por su labor.
6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so as you can see, we are here now. We've got off the Riviera, so you can stay on and go to Epcot, which we'll do in a bit, or you can get off and you can now walk over to Caribbean Beach, which is all of this. You can also walk back to the connecting part of the Skyliner and go back to Hollywood Studios. Perfect. So now we're just going to walk around here. We're going to pop into Riviera. Let us know down below if that's something you want to see, and we'll do another vlog for you about the Riviera. But this video is all about the Skyliner and how easy it is to jump on, jump off, and what resorts it takes you to. If you're heading to Epcot, you turn left, and if you're heading to going to Hollywood, you go straight ahead. Little sign here, Epcot, and the lake is on your left. So if you remember this video as a reference.
Lefty, lakey, righty, Epcot. No.
Does not work.
No.
To wait a little while here because everybody is still sitting on here going to Epcot.
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Riviera Resort. If you're just joining us, we are on our way to Epcot. Ladies and gentlemen, we invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the most magical flight on Earth. Remain seated until the doors automatically open. When exiting the cabin, please supervise children, collect your belongings, and watch your step.
Pertenencias y observe sus pasos.
Oh, that smells amazing. Right, so as you saw, that was 6 minutes. That's it from Riviera to here. Like I say, it varies on the time, on how many times the Skyliner can stop. And be aware that it can stop and start all the time. So yeah, hope you found this video really useful. It was so much fun to make, and I'm happy if you leave some comments down below. We'll make loads more like this because it is so fun. Like, we can pop to all the hotels. We've done videos on these before where we've gone to the resort hotels, left details down below. So again, just let us know if there's anything that would be useful to you, help you in your planning, especially if you're a first timer. And there are the friendship boats here as well, which you can take between here and Hollywood Studios, which are just over there. There's so many methods to getting to and fro, so hopefully you can choose the right one for you. Again, and catch us on our next adventures.